Hello. In the previous class, I have discussed about logic gates. Now, in that logic gates, basically we are having seven logic gates. Those seven logic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR, and XNOR. These are the seven logic gates. In those, basically AND gate and OR gate and NOT gate I have explained. Now today's class we are focusing on basically these two logic gates. These two gates are NAND and NOR gates. NAND and NOR gate specialty is these two gates are called as universal gates. Why NAND and NOR gates are called as universal gates means we can implement by using NAND gate, by only using NAND gate, other than this using this NAND gate we can implement all these gates. That means AND, OR, NOT, XOR, XNOR, and also this NOR gate also. That means by using single NAND gate we can implement all 6 logic gates. Similarly, if we take NOR gate, using this NOR gate also we can implement all these gates. That means AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, XOR and XNOR. That's why these two gates are called as universal gates. So I will explain what is the procedure we are going to implement any logic gate using NAND gates. NAND gate is nothing but a combination of NAND gate means NAND gate is a combination of AND gate implemented with combination of NOT gate. So as already you know that AND gate symbol is, this is the AND gate symbol. AND gate logic gate symbol, for example, these two are inputs, this is AND gate output. Now this is AND gate symbol. Similarly, for NOT gate, you know that NOT gate we are having single input is there, single output is there. This is the input side and this is the output side, and this is the input side and this is the output side. Now if you take an NAND gate means generally, okay. So now you can see here I am drawing the logic diagram of a NAND gate. So here you assume it is the logic symbol of an AND gate. Here it is a combination of AND gate and it is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. So here you can see I am assuming two inputs A and B. Two inputs are there, two inputs A and B and output as C. For example, as you all know that two inputs means we have 4 combinations. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So I am going to explain the output of an AND gate. So 0, 0 means actually if you take assume AND gate is there, definitely AND gate output means 0, 0 means its output is 0. 0, 1 means 0, 1, 0 means 0 and output of 1, 1 output is 1 for AND gate. So now as I told that AND gate output is 1 only when all the inputs are high. Now I am not explaining about AND gate. It is a combination of AND gate, that output is given to a NOT gate. So now NAND gate output definitely it is a inverted output, inverted logic of a AND gate output. So now my AND gate logic output is, here you can see 0 is given to a NOT gate, I am getting as 1. Similarly 0 I am getting 0 is given to inverter, I am getting as 1. 0 is given to inverter, I am getting as 1. So here in the place of 1, in the input I am giving it as 1, I am getting 0. That means in NAND gate the basic logic is whenever all the inputs are high, the output is low. That is the basic logic of NAND gate. NAND gate means when all inputs are high, when all the inputs are high, the output is low. That is the basic logic of a NAND gate. Whenever all the inputs are high, the output is low. That is the basic logic of a NAND gate. Yeah. Today this session basically I am going to teach about how only NAND gate is useful to implement all the logic gates. As I already have told that using NAND gate we can implement all logic gates other than NAND gate means AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR, XNOR and also NOR gate. Using only NAND gate, that's why it is called as a universal gate. Now this session I am going to show how to implement all the logic gates using only NAND gate. So initially I will draw the diagram of a logic gate, logic symbol of a NAND gate. As you know, this is the logic symbol of a NAND gate. Here I am taking two inputs A and B and one output, for example C. First of all, I will draw the diagram of a NOT gate. So this is implementation of NOT gate using NAND gate. So if we take NAND gate is there, output is C. If we connect those two inputs and if we give single input A, this will become as a NOT gate. Why? Because as the logic table implements A, B and C NAND gate logic truth table, 0 0 is there, 0 1 is there, 1 0 is there, 1 1 is there. If I make, as you know, these three cases, this is the logic table of a NAND gate. In these three cases, if I give, you can observe these two cases. If I give similar inputs, only consider these two cases. If you give AB 0 0 and AB 1 1, if you give same values 0 0, we are getting 1, and if you give 1 1, we are getting 0. By verifying this case, I can say that if same values are given to an AND gate, we are getting a same opposite value. That's why I am combining these two. In the place of B, I have taken same A value. That means same input I am giving here. So A value here you can observe here I have combined A and B. A, B I have combined as a single value. I make it as a single input. So whatever input I am giving A, that value is given to same B place also. So A 0 means both places 0 0. Here A 1 means both places 1 1. In the place of 0 0 output is 1. In the place of 1 1 output is 0. That means it is equivalent to a simple NAND gate, so NOT gate. Here input is 0 means output is 1. Input is 1 means output is 0. This is the implementation of NOT gate using NAND gate. So this is implementation of NOT gate using NAND gate. Now I am going to teach about how to implement AND gate logic. AND gate only using NAND gates. So already you know that NAND gate means, here you can see these two inputs are there, A, B is there, NAND gate. Here you can see this is a bubble. Bubble means nothing but inverter. So if I connect another inverter here, generally if I connect another inverter here, these two get cancelled. Definitely these two, bubble come bubble, both get cancelled. So I am getting AND gate. So but here as the diagram represents, this is an AND gate, this is a NOT gate. I don't want a NOT gate. I want to implement this also, this NOT gate also in the form of NAND gate. So here this NOT gate can be replaced, by this position. So for implementing AND gate, I can say simply I will take NAND gate. Here AB is there, inputs AB is there, and simply in the place of NOT gate I will take a combined, that means two inputs combined NAND gate. This will become as, this is nothing but a NOT gate. So my AND gate implementation can be implemented by one NAND gate, another NAND gate. Here both inputs I am getting A dot B whole bar, and this is NOT gate, directly it is given to NOT gate. So I am getting AB. Inverter connected to inverter, directly I am getting a, this is given to a AND gate, NAND gate given to a NOT gate, I am getting AND gate. These two, this is implementation of NOT gate, this is implementation of AND gate. So in the next class, next session I am going to teach about OR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate and NOR gate.